Hey everyone, it's Smoothie here coming at you with another video. In this video, if you haven't noticed already, we were doing a Minecraft tutorial on how to make your own server. I recently just started playing Minecraft, and I never knew either your friends have to have a server or you have to have a server if you want to play with each other. I thought you just join the game and just play. So the day of the game, when me and my girlfriend bought it, we wanted to play each other. We spent about 5-6 hours of grueling pain and misery and headaches trying to figure out how to make a server. I've tried the Hitachi way. The Hitachi worked to an extent, but for some reason I couldn't join her game, she couldn't join my game, or servers would crash, you couldn't rejoin your server, so we deleted that and scrapped the idea. So we figured, why not do it the correct way? We're going to do port forwarding. So if your router cannot do port forwarding, guys, this will not work for you, but 95% of routers, there is a way to port forward them. Some are simple, some are hard. So let's get this underway with under 5 minutes, hopefully, and let's get you up and running your own server so you can play with your friends most efficiently as well. First, we have to go to minecraft.net, main page, download it here. We're going to go multiplayer server, and we're going to click here. Now you want to save it. You don't want to run it, you want to save it. I already saved it to save a bit of time because I wanted to make this fast. On our desktop, we're going to make a new folder. We're going to call it Minecraft Server. We're going to go to Start, Documents, wherever you save that file. Mine's Downloads. I'm going to copy. Reason why I copy and paste is if I have any problems, I can just get to it quickly and start from scratch. Now we're going to run this quickly. Yes. As you will think, two things you'll notice is we have 2 warnings here, and our memory is 95, 92, 85 megabytes, and only 45% free. So we have to fix those 2 problems. We're done. So we're in the bottom. We're going to type stop to close the server. We're just going to leave this here, and now we need to fix a couple things. So first things first. You guys have to download this here. This is to allow the server to run correctly at maximum efficiency. I'll put in the description below. You just click it. And you're going to want to run this and install it. So it'll take you a couple seconds to install and run. I already did it, yet again, to save time. Then the next step is we're going to click our Start menu, Computer. We're going to right click Properties. We're going to Advanced System Settings. We're going to go to Environmental Variables. And we're going to scroll down till we see path. There's path there. We're going to go edit. And you are going to paste this into your variable value. Click OK. And I'll put the description below as well. Now in our Minecraft server, we're going to make a new text document. And we're going to name it Run. Oh, sorry. And we're going to need this here. Now we're going to open it and we're going to paste this into here. Now one thing, this is how much memory you're allowed to use from your computer. So I'm using 1 gig. You can put this all the way up to 32 gigs if your computer can handle it, but 1 gig is more than efficient. Just change this accordingly. So we want 2, etc. We're going to go save as run.bat, save as type file, all files. And we're going to save it. Now we can close this. And now we're going to click Run. And you see we have no more errors. It says done. Also, we have 95% free on our server. So we're just going to close this quickly. And now we need to set up port forwarding. So we're going to go Start and then Run command down here. We're going to type CMD. I'm not going to click Enter, as I'm going to go to CMD, right click, Run as Administrator, just to get by any problems. We go IP config, one word, enter. Now you want to find your default gateway, which is right there, and you're going to type that in your web browser, and this will bring you to your router. Now your router has a username and a password. It will be on your router somewhere. It will be stamped, if not in your user manual, but most of them are stamped on the router somewhere. If not, just Google your router. It will tell you your default passwords and usernames. It's taking a little while here. I don't know really why. There we go. Let's go big screen here. We're going to go down to advanced, and we're going to go port forwarding. We're going to go to add custom service. Also make sure it's on port forwarding. I'll minimize this over here for you. Service name, we're going to call it Minecraft server smoother than you. Okay, you, there. Service type, we're going to do TCP, UDP, we're going to do both. And starting port. This is very important. So over here, we're going to go on the server. If it does not open right away, open with Notepad, right click. And here's our server port. 25565. So 25565, 25565. Now, if you're going to run different servers off the same router, all you have to do is change this number here. So we'll go 266. And I know this works because I have 3 servers running off my current router. So it does work. Just you have to save them different port number here. And you'll have to make more Minecraft servers. So you'll have on your desktop Minecraft server 1, Minecraft server 2, Minecraft server 3. And now for server IP address. You're going to go up to your IPv4 address, and that's it right there. So we're going to go 3, and then we're going to go apply. And now our port forwarding is done. There it is right there. So we can get out of here. Now our next step is we're going to go to Google. And you're going to type in, what's my IP address? And this is what you give to people to join you. So we no longer need this here. We're going to, actually before I run the server, I'm going to show you a couple things here in properties. This is your welcome note. So we're going to go trying to think of a name I want to put here. So every time someone logs my server, this is what they'll see. Max players, I'm going to keep this very small. So I'm going to go only 3 players. Do your game mode, difficulty, all that there. We're going to save this. You do your max build height too. You want to change all that. Save. Whitelist is for people who you want to allow in, if you want just specific people to come in. This gives you cheat commands. Actually, I think I use the capitals on this. So you type in the user's name that's allowed to use cheats. We're going to save this. And then ban players and ban IPs. Now, one also thing, guys, if you don't like the world you have, all you do is cut this out. Cut. This is pasted here. And then you start the server again. It'll make a new world. So that's all you have to do. Now we're going to run the server. Just going to minimize all this. Go to Minecraft. You can close this. Now to join your server, it's very simple. All you do is multiplayer, direct connect, localhost. Join server. Logging in, we're good to go. Here's our server. Ooh, bunch of cows. Got some pumpkin. A lot of shading problems. And there's our server, guys. Now, for people to connect to your server, you're going to use your local IP. So we're going to go direct connect. So you're going to go to google.com, what's my IP address, and you give whatever it says. So let's say it says 70.50.12.234. Say that was your local IP address. Then you're going to go, I don't know what this is called. I just call it 2 decimals. And then you go 25565, which is the port number. Now, if this is your 3rd, 4th, 5th, or whatever server, and you change the port number, say 25566. And that's how they join your server, guys. I would join it, but I can't join my own server this way. So this is how you do it. And also, I'm not giving you my server address as I don't want people spamming my server. So guys, I hope this really helped you out to get your server up and running as fast as possible and most efficiently. You have any problems or questions, leave them in the comments below. Thank you very much for watching, guys. Please comment, like, and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next